Let's take a look at how sponsored transactions will work. I'm here in a new wallet with 0 assets and no transaction history. When I go to this simple single page application, I can see the sponsorship tank right here, and I can connect a wallet. Of course, there's 0 assets in this wallet. Let's confirm the address is the same. Yeah, looks good. What I can do is now I can select a name for my alias. Let's call it Tester19. And there's going to be a password here. And this will be a temporary solution, okay? Just enough to use this feature. We're testing it out. I click the lock icon just to confirm that the alias is available on Andamio. And now it's locked for me to mint it. So I press the build and submit button. The transaction builds. It gets some sponsorship information. And finally, it's time to sign it. You can see that I'm going to sign this transaction. We really wanted to signal to any users, even if they're not spending ADA, that this is a transaction. So we're having them sign it here. But you can see they're not spending anything. They're just receiving their Andamio access token and some additional ADA. By the way, the amount of additional ADA they receive is a parameter that we can set. So if we want to give people a little extra to run their first few course transactions, that's an option. I'll sign this. And that's that. Now I'm going to wait for this transaction to settle and show up in my wallet. Oh, there it is. So here's the transaction where I receive my Andamio access token with that name. And now I can use it to log into the application. So just like before, I'm going to log in with my wallet. But I already have the access token. So when I sign into my dashboard, I can see right away, here's the name of the token I just minted. That'll be the name I see here when I navigate on Andamio, and I can do everything else as before. Let me know what questions you have.